Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're ready to add a Google Play recharge code. First, check prerequisites and act now. Make sure you're signed into the Google account you want to fund and confirm your Play country and payment profile match the card region. Locate the 16 or 20-digit code and the PIN if present. Scratch gently to avoid damage. Once done, open the Google Play app or Play. Google.com/redeem because you need the redeem interface before entering the code to avoid errors and save time. You'll now enter the code and confirm the transaction. Open the redeem screen in the Play app or browser, choose the account if prompted. Carefully type the code exactly as printed, do not add spaces unless shown on card, and double-check each character. Once entered, hit redeem and read the confirmation dialog. Accept terms to apply credit to your balance. If the code applies to a subscription or promotion, make sure the right billing profile and family sharing settings are selected before continuing. Finish by confirming the credit arrival and using it immediately. After redeeming, check your Play balance at the top of the Play Store and review recent transactions to confirm the amount. You can now buy apps, subscriptions, or in-app items. Make sure default payment picks your Play balance when checking out. If something goes wrong, troubleshoot. Ensure the code matches your account's country and payment profile, try redeeming on a different device or browser, and contact retailer if the code remains invalid.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.